Welcome to our aircraft assembly facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how airplanes are assembled, step by step.
All avionics crates scanned and logged.
Good. The aluminum sheets are cleared for the assembly line.
The simulation indicates a 98% success rate on the new design.
And the Phase 2 projections are holding steady. We are cleared for manufacturing.
Alignment check on the starboard wing. We are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The locking sequence is engaged.
The pressure readings on panel 7 are slightly elevated.
Confirmed. I've logged the anomaly for review.
And that's how airplanes are assembled, Rensil, from start to finish.